Kublai pi baro kini kilonggi kubor bam takasngi. Kentu urakam ya Nonghikai ban ya Trei lang ha ka jingpen Trei kam ya ka National Education Policy 2020. Menteri katnat puli puthi urakam isang ma ula kentu jor ya Nonghikai ban ya Trei lang bad ya ket lang bad ka sarkar ya ka jingkit ka bakhya. Ban pentrei kam ya ka National Education Policy na ka bentaban kentiu ya ka puli puthi hapo ka jilla. Ya kani Menteri ulakran haba ai jingpran kum ukongsan ha ka workshop bashisngi halor kapang NEP 2020 Role of Stakeholders kabala pelong da kasngaps im college haringkat ka rusa sel mau kerwat hapo kate ka college menta kasngi ha kabala wani shimmentaru da ki bungot ki principal jingki school bapher na po kathan mau kerwan Urakam ulayatho baga jingwanra ya ka National Education Policy kalong ban kentiu ya ka standard jong katho ka puli hapo kari. Ula ongru bakari India baru kawe kandon ya kiju ki course syllabus bat jingtbet ha karukam hikai. Bat kani kan ai jingkermen ru ya ki khun samla napo ka jila bakinla ban yakun ha ki competitive exam. Layo jingkran ru na u advisor jong katnat puli puthi ke sarkar jilla uba HM Shangpliang ubala pentim ba ke sarkar jilla kelarai ban yat bet shakman ban pentrei kam ya kanika education policy batmai bar kumju ru na u MLA kamau kerwat uba renik ton el thongkar ubala ai mensim ya Nonghikai de kabaong tungin om phai din ringin yat shakman na kebentaban penba ya ke puli puthi Hadin jongani ka jingelang kala danru ka jingpensyai bat jingemir jingmun halor ka National Education Policy bat kumno ki school kila banyat shakmat.
Will be of that kindness. When we get into the new education policy, our students will be excited to learn. Our faculty members, our teachers will be excited and happy to learn. And we are always ready to adapt. I think therefore, I am happy as the principal was telling to us, in fact, our college is mentally ready to implement education policy 2020. But since majority are not, we are also joining the chorus. but maybe as a state, as a rules allow, I think, but the professor will know better. The rules allow. We'll be happy if any institutions of the state will come forward to implement first. I think maybe I'm sure this college is going to take on lead of all this decision. The earliest is the better. Therefore, but at the end of the day, there will be a challenge for the government. But the government side, we are also doing all kind of exercises. Our Honorable Chief Minister is always concerned. Therefore, in this whole years, we are doing all kinds of exercises. What is to be done? What exercise has to be met? How to bring more infrastructure? How to bring up the standards of our institutions? How to meet the challenges requirement to implement NEP 2020? Therefore, we are also, as a government, we are also doing all kinds of exercises and to support institutions of the state. Friends, this NEP 2020, the concept of bringing in new education policy in the country is to bring the standard of our education of the country. Therefore, after bringing these documents to all of us, I think the boundary of highness and the lowerness has been done away. The country will be having the same quality of education, quality of teachings, the courses, the syllabus. Therefore, but now, it will rest with the institutions and the faculty members. Therefore, I would like to appeal to all my teachers of the state, the professor and the faculty members of every institution of the state. Let us shoulder the responsibility